Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tuna egg salad. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 5-ounce cans of tuna, 4 hard-boiled eggs, and about 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. For that perfect crunch and zest, have 1 stalk of celery and 1/4 of a red onion ready. Don't forget your seasonings: Dijon mustard, salt, and black pepper. Now let's get started with the base. First, make sure to thoroughly drain your 2 5-ounce cans of tuna. This step is crucial for preventing a watery salad. Next, take your 4 hard-boiled eggs, peel them, and chop them into small, consistent pieces. Once both are prepared, gently combine the drained tuna and the chopped eggs in a medium-sized mixing bowl. This forms the perfect foundation for our flavorful salad. With our base ready, it's time to add those wonderful flavors and textures. Finely dice 1 stalk of celery and 1/4 of a red onion. These will provide a fantastic crunch. Now, add about 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for creaminess and a tangy kick. Finally, season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to taste. These additions truly elevate the salad. Almost there. Now, gently fold all the ingredients together in the bowl until everything is well combined and evenly distributed. Take a moment to taste your tuna egg salad and adjust the seasonings if needed. You might want a little more salt, pepper, or even a touch more Dijon mustard. Serve this delightful salad immediately on your favorite bread, crackers, or fresh lettuce wraps for a light and satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.